Hello everyone, Susan Lazar Hart here with your Coach's Corner Quickie today. Every Monday I thought I'd play with you with a little question that you can ask yourself. My question today for you is, are you commuting or are you committing? Well, what do you mean, Susan? Well, how many of us say, oh, I've got this in the works, I'm trying this out, I've tried this out, I've tried this out, and it's not working. My question for you would be, are you actually committed to what you're creating? How many of us commute? We go from one thing to another, to another, to another, and we're committed for like 10 seconds, or we're enthusiastic, or we're so excited, oh my God, this is gonna work. There's no question in there. Notice that, oh my God, this is gonna work, this is the best thing ever, right? Are you willing to commit to what you're creating, right? And committing means, if it's not working, ask a question, right? Is now the time for this creation? Is there somebody else who can assist me? Are you willing to talk to whatever you're creating, right? And ask your creation, what is it you require? What is it that I have not been listening to? What is it that I could be listening to? Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. I have a couple of businesses that I play with, a couple of Facebooks that I play with. There's this one, which is about coaching, and there's Ask Susan, which is coaching and much, much, much more. So if you want to get a little bit clearer on what's going on for you, right? Ask yourself, what is it that I would be willing to commit to, right? I mean, how many of you were told you have to stick to something until it, you kill it? Well, that's not what committing is. Committing is being totally present 100% with what it is that you're creating, right? Because most of us who have that bright, shiny object syndrome, right? If that's you, raise your hand. Most of us are actually commuters. So I'm asking you, stop for a minute, talk to yourself about what you are creating, and ask yourself, am I really committed to this? Am I creating this for somebody else? Am I creating this for somebody else's reality? Am I creating this because people said, oh, you're so good at that, you should be doing that, right? So that's where, if you find yourself saying to yourself, this isn't working, start asking these questions. I wonder what this could create. Am I really committed to what it is that I say that I'm asking to create? Am I creating it for somebody else? Am I creating it from my past? Because everybody said, oh, you're so good at this, you should be doing this. Or are you commuting? Are you going from one thing to the other, to the other, to the other? You should have a whole bunch of things going all at the same time. Well, if that works for you, what I've learned is I'm going to commit to my lane, right? And my lane can be huge. And in my lane, I can be seeing all kinds of billboards and all kinds of questions and all kinds of offers and and I can be present with all of it. But I'm committing to what I'm asking to create. And right now I'm committed to coaching, right? Coaching, no matter what it looks like, no matter what it takes, whether it's speaking publicly, whether it's working one-on-one, whether it's, meeting on Ask Susan every Sunday, right? It's about committing to your life and your living. And that's my question for you. Are you commuting or are you committing? Take care. Adore you. Have an amazing morning, day, evening. We have an international community here. And I'll see you next Monday. Live boldly, love greatly, and be that fearless leader you came here to be. One that's willing to commit to what else is possible. Ooh, thanks for the hearts. I love you. Mwah. Bye-bye.